Guys, welcome to the Grove Mystery School. This is Lo, and today I'm going to give you guys understanding and a little bit of knowledge of who you're learning from. So let us begin. So I'm Lauren. On most of my platforms, you will hear me called Lo. Most of you have probably found me through YouTube or TikTok. I am by trade a filmmaker, and I have switched careers to become a psychic medium, and I've been a psychic medium for about 4 years now. I had my first awakening back in 2013. So it was quite some time ago. Like at the filming of this video, we're at the end of 2022, and that is almost 10 years ago, guys. Like, wow, that's so long ago. I don't feel that old. So I am a mother and a soon-to-be wife. Through this process of having my daughter, I was able to notice wounds that I had not healed, which I thought I had healed a good chunk of them, but this wound had been plaguing me my whole life. And over time, I was able to see that a lot of the negative coping mechanisms that I had that were a detriment to my health had to do with my mother wound. And so through healing my mother wound, through this exact same process that I'm going to be teaching you guys, I was able to really free myself and free my mindset and to stop this perpetual process of not only making my marriage and my relationships suck, but also indoctrinating my daughter into this negative codependent mindset. Instead, allowing her to be independent and to roam and to be an actual child and to have her own emotions, something that I wasn't really able to have as a child. And I had to give myself that space to be able to accept, understand, and to have the space to express myself. So that is a little bit about me. And I know it got a little deep there, but I'm a deep person. So we'll have more of these deep moments throughout the course. I also am an alchemist by trade and by practice. My entire spiritual practice revolves around alchemy. I also work with Egyptian deities, particularly my father deity is Thoth. We also call him Tehuti. He is also associated with Archangel Metatron. We work together a lot. A lot of the information that you will receive here has either been experienced by me, given to me to study by Thoth, or directly channeled from Thoth. I'm pretty much a disciple for life of Thoth, and I feel proud of that. He is the creator of mysteries, and he is the Egyptian god of agriculture, of writing, of mathematics, of pretty much every science, as most sciences stem from alchemy, which is his creation, as well as astronomy and astrology. He also invented writing, so he is very big on teaching and scholarly efforts. He was also the first to create a mystery school, and a lot of mystery schools are based on the teachings of Hermes Trismegistus, which is Thoth reincarnate. I love working with him. I also work with Ra, and I work with the grandiose energy of Ra, which is the son of days. And I have also been channeling the all that is, which is the ancient of days, and that's been very exciting. I work also specializing with the ancestors, and typically a lot of my work has to do with healing traumas and wounds. So a lot of my readings have to do with the ancestors, and you get a lot of healing from those messages, as well as a lot of insight about the type of spirits that are on your team, as well as whatever insights you actually come to me to get. I'm also a Melchizedek energy healer, which is a channel modality by Thoth, which works on the quantum level. So I would be healing not only your energetic body, but your full Adam Kadmon, which is the energetic and physical body together, and how they correspond together, resetting you back to your original blueprint. It deals with a lot of sacred geometry and a lot of sacred texts that are kind of built into the modality, which is really awesome. Also, if you would like to try try this healing method, you can always go to my website at lovegoddess.co and book a reading or a healing. Now, here you are learning literally everything that I use to coach people through this process, as well as some things that I don't share in that process. You are learning how to do it for yourself and receiving all the resources that I've used in my own process, and some that I did not have because Thoth has given them to me now for you guys. So super awesome. So yeah, and I also do psychic coaching. So I help to coach people into their psychic abilities, how to open them and how to control them. Sometimes I have clients that have a hard time controlling their abilities and having a normal life. Some people, they don't have their abilities developed and they would like to develop their abilities. So I also help there as well. If that's you and you would like to book a free coaching call, you can always do that over on the website at lovegoddess.co. Okay, so now that we have gotten like all of the services that I offer, so essentially this is basically me. I am a huge studier, huge studier. I'm very big in practicing a deep array of different magical modalities, healings, and other stuff. And you know, it's always expanding and I'm always adding on to this list, but I am of course a wealth of knowledge, and this is offering to you guys that I'm able to create this place where we can be safe and we can learn some knowledge that's often not really given to the public. And what I really like about this is that our tribe is coming together over time as each and every one of us kind of taps into this. So it's super cool. If you're not already following me on TikTok, please do at _live like low, or at The Alchemical Oracle, which is my backup page on TikTok. And then my YouTube channel is Live Like Low. Just plain and simple. You will find all the links to where you guys can find me in the about. There should be like an about section. You guys can just click to all of my stuff. So it makes it super easy. I don't know what else to say. I'm not that great with self-descriptions, but I hope this suffice. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them, or we can answer some of these questions on the monthly Q&A. I will see you guys on the next one. I ask that the greater I am is with you and keeps you in their love and their light and their grace, and that they bless you consistently for being in my community and for taking this next step forward in your life. And I just want to just give you my thanks for supporting this effort. This has been my dream for a very long time. And because of people like you, I am able to not only live my dream, but provide a service that really, really means the world to me. And I really care about each and every one of you and that you have a great experience. So don't be afraid to reach out if something doesn't make sense, or to inquiry about something. And no, if I don't get back to you right away, I will get back to you. I so promise it, okay? And I hope that you guys have an amazing day. And as within, so without, as above, so below. I hope that all things are going in your perfect and right place, and that you are on your perfect and right path for you, and that you continue to give yourself that good love and peace and kindness that you truly deserve. So yeah, so much love. I hope that you're well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.